Hello everyone, welcome back to NISHANA'S recipe notes. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare cappuccino, an Italian version of beaten coffee. It will be awesome to have such a wonderful coffee during this season, especially during the rainy season. So let's start preparing cappuccino. At first, let us see the ingredients. Coffee powder 1 teaspoon. Here I am using the brand Nescafe Classic. You can use brew instant also, but I am using here Nescafe. Then I have taken only 1 teaspoon of coffee powder. Then 2 tablespoons of sugar. So the proportion is for 1 teaspoon of coffee powder we should take 2 tablespoons of sugar. Then the tool I'm using for beating the coffee, that is a milk frother, a mini milk frother. Then we need boiled milk. So these are the ingredients. So let's see how to prepare. Taking a teacup, adding coffee powder, sugar and 1 tablespoon of water. Then using the beater, start beating. Keep beating for 5 to 10 minutes. We will see the appearance of the mixture is changing. We will get a creamy mixture of slightly brown color. When it becomes a thick paste, we can stop beating. Stir it by using a spoon or spatula. Now we have got the desired consistency. It becomes thick and creamy. Now we can keep it aside. Next step is boiling the milk. Stir occasionally. It's about to boil now. The boiled hot milk is ready now. Let's start beating the hot milk to make the foam. Let the air be trapped inside the milk. So beat continuously for 2 to 3 minutes. Our formed milk is ready now. Taking a teacup, adding 2 to 3 teaspoons of beaten coffee into the teacup. Slowly add the formed milk into the coffee mixture. Now let's decorate with white formed milk and beaten coffee. Cappuccino is ready now. We have just made it without the coffee machine. So just have your sip and enjoy. Keep watching my videos and I'll be back soon with another recipe. If you like this recipe, please give a thumbs up and share the video. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and bell icon for getting notifications on my updates. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye.